This is a sample essay for IELTS Writing Task 2. The question is, describe the impact of parental involvement on reducing teenage pregnancy rates.
The phenomenon of teenage parenthood has garnered significant attention in recent years, primarily due to its implications for both the young parents and their offspring. One of the most effective strategies to mitigate this issue is through proactive parental guidance. This essay will argue that parents play a crucial role in preventing their children from becoming teenage parents by fostering open communication, providing comprehensive education about relationships, and promoting responsible decision-making. First and foremost, open communication between parents and teenagers can significantly reduce the likelihood of early pregnancies. When parents create a safe space for their children to discuss their feelings and experiences regarding relationships and sexuality, they empower them to make informed choices. This dialogue not only helps dispel myths surrounding sex but also encourages teenagers to seek advice from their parents rather than peers, who may lack accurate information. Furthermore, comprehensive education about relationships and sexual health is essential in equipping teenagers with the knowledge they need to navigate their formative years. Parents should engage in discussions that encompass not just the biological aspects of reproduction but also the emotional and social dimensions of relationships. By doing so, they can instill a sense of responsibility in their children, helping them understand the consequences of their actions. In addition to communication and education, promoting responsible decision-making is vital. Parents can guide their teenagers in developing critical thinking skills that allow them to evaluate situations and consider the potential outcomes of their choices. When teenagers feel confident in their ability to make sound decisions, they are less likely to engage in risky behaviors that could lead to early parenthood. In conclusion, parental guidance is indispensable in preventing teenage parenthood. Through open communication, comprehensive education, and the promotion of responsible decision-making, parents can significantly influence their children's choices and ultimately reduce the incidence of teenage pregnancies. As such, investing time and effort in these areas is crucial for the well-being of both teenagers and society as a whole.
The breakdown. Paragraph 1. Key points. Teenage parenthood is a significant issue. Parental guidance is an effective strategy to mitigate this issue. Solution. Encourage parents to engage actively in their children's lives and discussions about relationships. Example. The essay will explore how parents influence their children's decisions regarding teenage pregnancy. Paragraph 2. Key points. Open communication between parents and teenagers reduces the likelihood of early pregnancies. Safe spaces for discussion empower informed choices. Solution. Parents should foster an environment where teenagers feel comfortable discussing sensitive topics. Example. Parents who discuss feelings and experiences related to relationships help dispel myths about sex. Paragraph 3. Key points. Comprehensive education about relationships and sexual health is essential. Discussions should cover biological, emotional, and social aspects. Solution. Parents should engage in educational conversations about both the biological and emotional aspects of relationships. Example. Teaching about the consequences of actions instills responsibility in teenagers. Paragraph 4. Key points. Promoting responsible decision-making is vital. Critical thinking skills help teenagers evaluate situations and outcomes. Solution. Parents can help develop their teenagers' critical thinking skills to guide them in making sound decisions. Example. Teenagers confident in their decision-making are less likely to engage in risky behaviors. Conclusion. Key points. Parental guidance is crucial in preventing teenage parenthood. Open communication, education, and responsible decision-making significantly impact choices. Solution. Encourage parents to prioritize involvement in their children's education and decision-making processes. Example. Investing time in these areas benefits both teenagers and society.
Thank you for watching. Please give us like, share, comment, and subscribe for more useful videos. Bye.